Good morning and thank you for joining me. We just parked up at the Monsal Dale Hotel. We're now down on Monsal Trail. Unfortunately Headstone Tunnel's closed, so we can't have a look in there. So the plans for today: we're going to head off up towards Lytton Mill, then up Lytton Dale towards Peter's Stone, also known as Gibbet Rock, and then make his way back down Cressbrook Dale back to Monsal Dale. I'm joined today by one of my friends, Mark, another Mark. He's come out for a walk with me today. To break through down in that direction, down in Dale there. What a marvellous view. What a marvellous view that is. I don't know whether you can make it out or not, but we finally reached Peter's Stone, or also known as the Gibbet Rock. It's over there. Nice view down Dale and all. It's a bit damp down there. There's some stepping stones in the middle if you want to try them. Yeah, go first. Welcome to the beautiful Cressbrook Dale. And behind me, got a closer view of Peter Stone, aka Gibbet Rock. It's just a lovely place. So, just going to try and squeeze up there if I can, see if we can get up on top. Try and get up that little gap. See how we go. So welcome to the top of Gibbet Rock. Managed to scramble up with a tight squeeze. Do this bugger, but we got up there. A bit of a tight squeeze to get up to the top, but well worth the little climb. Now all I've got to do is try and squeeze back down there. Just a little bit of a tight squeeze, but I'm sure we'll manage it. All good fun. Well, that's it, my friends. We've now arrived back at the car at the Monsal Head Hotel car park. We've walked about 10 miles from about 8 o'clock this morning, I think it were, till, is it 2 o'clock? 2:30. Until next time, bye.